In this video, I'll be sharing with you step by step to an extent and how you can create your YouTube account in Jamaica. The first thing you want to do is create a Gmail account. If you don't have one, right, you need to create one. You can watch this video here. The link will be in the description of this video. It will take you over the process of creating your Gmail account. Once you create your Gmail account, right, you're going to go to youtube.com. Then look for your little profile icon and then you're going to select it. And then here right away, I do not have a channel, so it's giving me the option to create a channel. So select create a channel. Here is where you specify the name of the channel. So I'm just going to say MR Demo. And it automatically sets an under for me. And all I need to do is select create channel. And you could select a profile picture as well. You can change that later on when you're customizing your channel. So currently the channel has been created. Set back in a few moments. So I'm just going to refresh while I'm here. So it's saying channel does not exist. Let me refresh again. And now it's detecting my channel. From here you can go ahead and select customize channel. Then it's going to take you to YouTube Studio. So select continue. Now this is where you can choose your banner. So to create a banner you can go to Canva. So let's go to Canva right now. You can create a free account with Canva, right? And it will allow you to create banners and thumbnails, etc. So here I'm going to select more and I'm going to search for YouTube banner. So from the list, I'm going to select YouTube banner because the dimensions matter, right? You can spend time and do the customizations you need. I'm just going to select a random banner. Please note that some of these are paid. So you may want to take your time and add custom elements. Now, this is not a Canva tutorial, right? So we're not going to be going deep into this. So I'm going to select share, select download, and just download to continue. So go back to YouTube, select upload, search for the file that you just downloaded or the image. That's the banner. Select open. So I'm going to adjust the view. So this is what it will look like on all devices. This section is what it will look like on desktop, and this view is what it will look like on a TV. So I'm going to select done. I'm satisfied with it, right? You can always go and play around and customize. Now same thing for the picture, right? Just choose a picture of your choice and upload. So I'm just going to select upload. I'm going to select the same image there and then crop it, right? Select done. And that's it for the profile picture. Now here is where you can add your channel description. And if you have links like to a website that you want to add, then you can add it right here. Now if you look at some videos throughout the video, you will see their logo. This is where you can add it. So I'm going to select upload. Now the dimensions for your logo are specific. It must be 150 by 150 pixels and it must be less than 1 megabyte, be in the format PNG or GIF, right? So let's go to Canva, select create a design and then select custom size 150 by 150. Then select create new design. Now I'm just going to add an element here, so you can select elements and I'm going to search for demo and it will give me some graphics. So I'm just going to add this photo here. I'm just going to adjust it to the size of my image. So this is what it will look like. Now go back to YouTube, select upload and then select the logo, right? Select done and select close and then select publish. So these are the basic info that you'll need for your YouTube channel. If you select view channel, you'll see what your channel will look like, right? The next thing you want to do is upload a video. So here you can see that it gives me the create option. However, you want to normalize going to the YouTube Studio. So you're going to select your profile icon and then select YouTube Studio. Select continue and then here you have the option to upload videos. So I'm going to select upload, select files and then browse to where your files are stored. So I'm just going to select this demo video here, open. Here's where you're going to add your video title, your YouTube description. The next thing you want to do is upload a thumbnail. Now one thing to note is that you have to verify your phone number before you can add thumbnails to your channel. So I'm going to just close this here, then scroll down. Now under the playlist section, you can create playlists to group similar videos. Then you will need to select your audience. Here you indicate whether your video contains a paid promotion or not. Do any of the following describe your content? Select what best applies, right? You can keep the defaults here. Now here is a very important section where you add tags to your video. So these are typical search terms that you think people are searching for on YouTube. Now once an individual search for a term that is in your tag, there's a possibility your video might be shown to that individual. Now if there's a lot of video with the same title and tags, then there's a high probability your video will not be shown based on tags, right? So here you can keep the default as well. And then now for the category, you're going to select a category which best applies to your channel and then select next. Here's where you had an end screen. Now the end screen is the element that you see at the end of videos, and you see videos are being recommended to you. The two options are best for viewers and most recent upload. However, you can change this to specific videos. So let's say I want to change most recent video to a specific video. Then I select this card item and then choose a specific video. Now here on the timeline, you can adjust when the end screen chips in. Then you select save and then select next to continue. And then here you can set the video to public immediately, or you can schedule it for a specific time and date. And that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.